Just got your brand new Realme P4 Lite? Congrats! In this video, I will walk you through the initial setup process step by step so you can start using your phone right away. Let's dive in. To start, long press the power button until you see the Android and Realme logos. Once you hit the welcome screen, tap the right arrow. Next, choose your language. It defaults to English, but you can scroll through to find others, including regional options like Hindi, Kannada, Tamil, or Telugu. Once selected, tap Next and choose your region. I will select India and hit Next again. Review the user agreement and privacy policy. Then tap Next. You will see an option to set up using another device. If you want to start fresh, just tap Skip. Now connect to your Wi-Fi. The P4 Lite supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands. Enter your password or use the QR code scanner for a quick connection. Then tap Next. The phone will ask if you want to copy apps and data. I'm going to select Don't Copy for this demo, but I will have a separate detailed video on how to transfer data coming soon. Next, sign in with your Google account. This is essential for Play Store and syncing. You can tap Skip to do it later in settings, but I recommend doing it now to get the most out of your device. Now, for your security, you can choose a password, fingerprint, or face unlock. Let us set up the fingerprint. First, you will need to set a lock screen pattern or password. Important! Remember this code. If you forget it, you will lose the access to your data. Enter your pattern twice. The fingerprint sensor is built into the power button. Slowly place and move your finger to cover the entire surface until the progress bar is full. Once it is done, tap Done. On the Google Services page, toggle off anything you don't need. Then tap Accept. Choose your preferred search engine and hit Next. When you get to Review additional apps, uncheck any extras you don't want. Note that some apps are pre-installed. Tap OK. You can sign into your Realme account now or tap Skip. Finally, under Recommended Services, toggle your preferences and tap Agree. Last step, choose your navigation style, buttons or gestures. I prefer gestures for a cleaner look. Tap Done and you are all set. You can now swipe down to the notification panel to finish any skipped steps or check for system updates. That's how you set up the Realme P4 Lite. If this helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech to Touch for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.